Want to support your favorite Facebook Reels creator and make their day? Sending star is the way to go. In just few steps, you will be showing love with stars. Let me show you how.
Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution.
And today I'll walk you through the process of how to send star on Facebook Reels. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Facebook app on your screen. Make sure you are logged into your account. Scroll through your feed or go to the Reels section by tapping the Reels icon at the top of your screen. Once you are watching the reel, look for the Show Appreciation option below the video. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear showing how many stars you can send. Choose the amount you want to send. Facebook usually lets you buy them in the pack. Tap Send to show your appreciation for the creator. The stars will be sent and your support will be visible to the creator. So this is how to send stars on Facebook Reels.
Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.